Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to fix disable Wi-Fi on Android phone. In order to fix the disabled Wi-Fi on your Android phone, you could try a couple of these steps. First of all, you could try switching on and off the Wi-Fi. There you have these Wi-Fi icon. You could just simply swipe down and then toggle the button for Wi-Fi. Do the same thing repeatedly and that might be able to help. Apart from it, you could also try turning on the flight mode. You just need to swipe down and access the quick panel. And there you have these flight mode. You could toggle the button or turn it on, and that should also be able to help. If not, at the same time, you could also try restarting your phone. Hold on to your side button and restart your device. That might be able to fix. Despite all this, if nothing works out, then you can open up your settings on your device. And when you open up the settings, what next you want to do is go to network and internet. There you have these network. Then you could long press the connections that you're connected to and simply tap on forgot or maybe disconnect and maybe reconnect it by re-entering the password. That might be able to help. However, if nothing works out, you could also try resetting the networks. So for that, you want to come to the settings and then you want to go to system, and there you have these reset options. Go to reset mobile network or maybe reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and that is going to help you fix your disabled Wi-Fi on Android phone. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.